Hi, I'm Andrea. So I wanted to make this quick video today in case you have had power out in your area. There's a few things that you want to keep in mind. First of all, if you've had a power outage and your furnace has not been running and it's extremely cold outside, when the power does come back on, it's actually going to take a really long time for your furnace to bring the temperature back up to where you're comfortable again. It's going to take a while for it to kind of cycle back on. If it comes back on and you feel some warm air coming out of the vents, then that's great. And really what you're looking for is for it to not get any colder, that it's going to be able to maintain the temperature. And it's just going to take, it might even take all day for it to bring the temperature back up to where you want it to be again. We've gotten quite a few calls from our clients. We're in the Midwest, and so we've had some power outages lately. And some people are calling where they're saying, our power went out, it's back on again, but I don't think that my furnace is working. Well, it probably is working if you feel that it's running and that there's air coming out of your vents. If it's maintaining the temperature and not getting any colder, then that's most likely a good sign. Most furnaces are designed to maintain the temperature that you want it to be at when it's usually 0 degrees outside. And so if it is 0 degrees outside and your temperature in your house is currently, 55 degrees, which is colder than you want it to be, it's still going to be running constantly just to maintain where it is currently. So as long as it doesn't drop anymore, that's a great sign. So that's what you want to be looking out for. Another thing to check is many furnaces vent to the outside of your house. So along the side of your house is usually where your furnace is venting. Not all furnaces, but a lot of furnaces do that. And you want to make sure that it's not blocked with snow or ice. This is a picture that my dad took just of his neighbor's house today, which their furnace is vented out the side of their house and it is blocked with snow and ice. When the vent is blocked, your furnace can malfunction. So if you want to go and check that vent on the side of your house, that would be a good thing to do to make sure that it doesn't have ice hanging off of it and it's not blocked with ice or snow or any obstruction. When your power does come back on, you want to make sure that your furnace is running as freely and as efficiently as possible. So it might be a great time to also change that filter so that it's running as easily as it possibly can, that there's nothing blocking the outside vent, and it's going to take a while for the temperature to climb back up in your house, but hopefully it is running and it's maintaining the temperature and everybody is staying warm and safe. So I hope this was helpful and we will see you soon.